All right, I'm Officer Fera. I'm the school resource officer for Jersey Shore. My job consists of monitoring the school, handling student behavioral issues, and pretty much overall improving student life and solving conflicts. I work with Officer Lucas. Together, we bring an iron fist to Jersey Shore. This job is very serious and extremely difficult. It requires a lot of sharp thinking and knowing your responsibilities. One wrong move could be detrimental. Time to clean this school up. No, come on! Ugh!
One crucial method about being a school resource officer is staying in tip-top physical condition. Both myself and Officer Fera have many different methods in which we do this, such as dieting, exercise, and above all, staying in top physical condition.
Please stop.
An officer of the law must be in top physical shape and condition, especially when in a school setting. The students are much younger than us, so we need to be at the best performance to be able to deal with any situation. As a school resource officer, we go through the same training as special ops and SWAT personnel. Overall, myself and Officer Fera have to be in tip-top shape to deal with students, staff, or criminals for any situation.
We're gonna do some cafeteria patrol. Now this is my cafeteria. I make sure that there's no students that are doing anything wrong. They understand that this is a privilege, not a right to eat here. This is it. Hey, what are you guys doing? Clean the tables. Besides that, anyway, here it's my way or the highway. Hey, knock it off. You know what? I'm out of here. Apparently you can't be yelling at the monitors. Ugh.
You missed a spot.
You know what? I'm done. Patrolling the hallways. It's a thing that I do to make sure there's nobody littering. Some people say littering is a small crime. I say there is no small crimes. What are you looking at?
A piece of paper on the ground.
What? You trying to say that I threw that?
Well, duh.
I didn't put that there.
How?
Did you
How do
put it
I?
there?
No.
Did you see me?
Yeah.
What? I don't believe you.
Well, that's too bad. Go pick it up.
I'm not picking it up. You pick it up.
No.
Whatever. I'm out of here. Being at the elementary school lets me interact with younger kids. In this case, absolutely fry them in dodgeball. Ow.
Good bag. Thank you, Mr. Officer.
You're welcome. Such a long day.
Matt will get it.
He's got it.
Let's go home.
Sounds good. We're gonna do some cafeteria patrol. It's one thing that I do to make sure that there's nothing bad going on. It's my cafeteria, so students understand that it's not a privilege, it's a right to eat here. Oh. So we're gonna do some cafeteria patrol. In this cafeteria, it's mine. All right, it's a privilege, not a right to eat here. And so when we go in here, we're gonna make sure everyone's up to no good.
One crucial part of being a school resource officer is staying in tip-top physical condition. Both myself and Officer Fera have sorry.
All right, I'm Officer Fera. I'm the school resource officer for Jersey Shore. My job consists of monitoring the school, handling student behavior issues, and pretty much overall improving student life and solving conflicts. Redo that one.
You want to redo it?